Henry, what are you doing? Quack. What the fuck? Oh, at least I'm not using special coal. Yeah, but this is not exactly a good substitute. Where'd you get crack? Edward. What? Yeah, right next to every station there's a white guy selling it. Look, doing crack is not something you had to be really useful about, Henry. You had to find out why you had to use it in the first place. Here's one of those magazines I want you to see. Okay. Also, I'll come and check on you later. Okay, whatever. Hi, Henry. I thought I can check on you because I'm bored. Oh my god! Come came and took my baby. And this is why, folks, you should never be drunken and doing crack.